अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे PHP fflush function. The fflush function in PHP is an inbuilt function which is used to write all the buffered output to an open file. The fflush function forces a write of all buffered output to the resources pointed to by the file handle. The fflush function returns true on success and false on failure. Syntax: fflush variable file. Parameters: the fflush function in PHP accepts only one parameter, which is called variable file. Errors and exceptions. The first one is the fflush function returns in errors if the file pointer is not valid. The second one is the file pointer must be opened by fopen or fsock-open and closed by fclose. यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल पुट की गई है fflush function की. Program 1. The file named single line text contains a single line of information, which is this file consists of a single line. PHP escaping opening text represent करना और multiple comments the file is opened using fopen function. Variable check is equal to fopen single line text or variable sequence is equal to fgets check put किया गया variable और multiple comments writing buffered output to a file. Multiple comments until the end of file is reached while और fe of variable check. fflush variable check जो है वो पुट किया गया. The file is closing. Use fclose function. Fclose variable check output किया. This file consists of a single line. Second example, the file named gfg text contains the following pieces of the text: the first file, the second line and the third line. Escaping opening tag of PHP, the file is opened using fopen function. Variable check is equal to fopen gfg text or r. Variable sequence is equal to fgets variable check writing buffered output to a file until the end of file is reached while और fe of variable check पुट किया गया. आउटपुट जो है देखिए आपने यहाँ पे fflush जो है वेरिएबल चेक का द फाइल इज क्लोज यूजिंग fclose फंक्शन और वेरिएबल चेक आउटपुट किया. दिस इज द फर्स्ट लाइन, सेकंड लाइन, द थर्ड लाइन. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज एवरीवन.